Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Dodge Charger RT louder, full guide. Begin by identifying the stock exhaust components and any restrictions to sound flow. Measure the existing back pressure and note muffler type to choose effective upgrades. This guide walks through bolt-on options, simple modifications, and more advanced swaps you can do safely. I'll explain expected sound changes, cost considerations, and tips to avoid unwanted drone or legal trouble. In this video, I will explain how to make Dodge Charger RT louder, full guide. Consider bolt-on parts like axle back systems, cat back exhausts, and straight-through mufflers as first steps. These swaps boost sound and performance without cutting mid-pipes for most setups. I'll cover brands, expected decibel changes, and how valve-controlled systems let you switch between calm and loud modes. Follow simple installation tips to avoid leaks and rattles afterward. In this video, I will review how to make Dodge Charger RT louder, full guide. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, is worth a read when budgeting mods. It helps you prioritize upgrades and avoid impulse buys while planning for tiered performance builds. If you like this content, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make Dodge Charger RT louder, full guide. For do-it-yourself routes, altering resonators or swapping muffler internals can add volume without full replacement. Combine physical changes with ECU tuning or exhaust valve adjustments to refine tone and throttle behavior. I'll describe tools, safety tips, and stepwise checks to prevent leaks or engine issues. Expect a mix of noise, performance, and legal trade-offs as you mod.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.